see here. We're here. The guy that I talked to before.
So we have to walk from here to here and then back.
But oh yeah, because he said this trail is closed.
Why? That's
So yeah, we'll have to take the longer way up to the lookout.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go.
Should be good. Let's go. I'm gonna.
Brush your feet when we come back out.
Oh, okay. Okay, whatever. Avoid rattlesnakes and bears. That's crazy. Crap. I hope you don't see any rattlesnakes ever. Actually, I do. I want to be one with the wilderness.
Okay. That's your choice. I don't want to see no rattlesnake. I don't want to see no bears either.
I don't even know how I would react if I saw a rattlesnake.
I think you'd run away. And scream.
This is a crazy part of the trail. Wow. It has like its own little valley. Wow, this trail is 6K in total. $3K hike to the lookout and a $3K hike back. It's not too bad for a hike, I guess. But I don't know. Looking at the pictures on like Google, the lookout should be worth it. But I guess we'll see. Oh wow! Look at this hole. What the? Wow. Interesting. Nature. That's probably where the rattlesnakes are. On the level of difficulty? Yeah. Yeah. Someone with bad knees probably can't do this trail. Just because there's a rock at every turn, every step. That's crazy. If someone were to want to do this trail, I would also recommend proper footwear. Birkenstocks won't cut it for this trail. Finally see this sign that says Lion's Head Lookout. Okay, let's go. Okay, after a short trail, we counted this small trail. How far are we? Oh, not too far. Yeah. We're right here. Oh, Lion's Head Lookout's here. It's just like a kilometer more.
Something like that.
Yeah, it's not too bad. All right, let's go. What's that sign say? Potholes form more than. Oh wow, 12,000 years ago. Oh wow, there's actually holes in here. Whoa.
Dare to go in the hole.
No, that's... Whoa. That's gnarly. This whole thing's a rock. That's cool. Well, I think we're close because of the breeze. So we can't be too far away from the Lion's Head lookout. I think I see like,
A break in the tree?
yeah, a break in the trees up there. So
Okay.
I think we're very close.
Okay.
Oh, there's a white marker here too. Yeah, we're very close. Whoa, what the? This is some crazy terrain, man. Ow. Holy. Hey. Careful up there.
I'm good. It's okay, I'm a parkour champ.
Oh, wow, okay.
Not so much in Roblox.
Crazy kid, man. Just living life. Oh, it's up here, up here, up here.
What?
It's up here, dude.
Oh my gosh. I wouldn't hurt you.
Oh, wow. Wow. Just watch your step and above here. Oh, wow.
I just gave another.
Hey, guys.
I just gave another good one.
Whoa.
Hey, Ray Ray. How's the parkour?
Whoa.
We're coming.
Be there in a minute, buddy. I almost
Pack.
feel like I should. Do we have a garbage bag to get this garbage and take it out?
Another lookout spot. Whoa, this lookout spot's better than the first one.
Oh my gosh. Look
What?
at those people over there.
What?
Come on.
Oh, just one sec. Yo, you come in, you come in. Don't go that close.
I'm looking.
What people? Whoa, those guys are crazy. Those guys are crazy, then. Okay, this is pretty. Okay, that's good enough for me. I'm getting off this thing. You can go look if you want, but me,
No, it's okay.
no.
It's the same view, right?
It's the same view, but a little bit more scarier because you're on the edge of a rock, like 200 meters up. No, thank you. Is this the last lookout point? Okay, so I guess careful.
This is more dangerous than going down, than going looking on the edge.
I don't know about that. Oh, you man. Oh. Yeah, that's kind of dangerous. That's kind of crazy. That drop. So you don't get like scared off like looking at those edges?
I don't know, not there. But like when I was at like the Grand Canyon, I did.
Wow.
When I went to like, where else is it in Utah? Not Dinosaur Land. What is it called? Something land.
Wow. I mean, this is a pretty steep drop, man.
Or like, where's the last time we went to Eagle?
A hike back to the car now since it's not a loop trail. After 6K, we made it! We're back! We're back at the trail start. I've never been so happy. Well, it wasn't that hard to be honest for a hike, but it's just the rocky trails that really got to us.
Okay.
Oh, there's more people coming in now. Oh, well, they don't know what's ahead of them. Hey, we gotta brush off our boots, baby. What?
No, you have to walk straight in and straight out.
Yeah,
If
the whole
maybe-
thing probably like 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, 3 kilometers in and then 3 kilometers out.
Yeah, it's pretty long.
It's great.
The view? It's really nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you.
Oh, these periods are cool. Oh, nice. That bowl looks good. I got the fish tacos. Oh.
The hot sauce is in there too.
Yeah. Okay. 3 fish tacos.
Do you want the nice food? Oh.
How do you rate that bowl?
I started with Chipotle, that's right.
Oh, okay.
The flavors are
Dang.
flavors are actually really, really balanced. Like,
That's a bold statement. Well, our Airbnb guests must know that we're here now. Or, not guests, hosts. Oh, you think they're out? But didn't you let them know that we're expecting to be here at 6?
should I call her?
Yeah, maybe. That'd be nice. This is our little cute Airbnb. It's a little tiny shack. Oh, here's someone.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Guys,
Good, yourself?
pretty good.
Yeah, so we're here for the Airbnb.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks.
Oh, nice.
Hey.
Ooh, perfect.
And then I'll show you where the washroom is really quick.
Sure.
I just close this. Yeah.
All you do is to use it is you pull this up, and then you crank all the wire, and then you pull it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
there.
Oh,
Makes
okay.
sense.
Got it.
Okay, thanks.
What's this?
Oh, that's.
Oh,
not for
this
us.
nuts are okay.
No.
Okay, cool.
And then here's a wash station.
Oh,
if you guys need
perfect.
it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, no
Perfect.
worries.
Thank you.
Okay.
I guess we'll move our stuff in now. Cute little farm animal. Yo, what are your thoughts on this Airbnb?
It's cute.
That's it.
Definitely. A little more rustic, I thought. It's good. I like it.
Yeah, it'll do.
It's cute.
Guess this is a fire pit.
It's pretty good. There's lots of wood.
Yeah, that's a plus. Comes with free wood. I guess we can't. That's the area that we can't go up. That's okay.
Lots of ants.
Ants? Where? Oh. Oh. There's a fire extinguisher. Weird. Oh, maybe that's the owner.
It's the owner. But the owner's name is Kim, so I think it's the one.
Oh. It's absolute glass, man. Nice.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good,
Get
how are
yourself?
you?
Good.
It's a very, very nice property you have here.
Thank you very
Yeah.
Very, very nice.
You
How
wanna-
many?
You
how
want to
many-
see the animals?
Yeah.
Yeah, if we could.
Yeah. It's hot today.
Oh,
Very hot.
yeah.
Wow.
Hey,
We have 2 pigs.
wow.
This is Miss Piggy.
That's cute.
Oh my goodness, they're so cute.
She's somewhat not happy with people sometimes.
Oh, okay.
But
That's-
Wilbur he's totally good.
So cute.
That's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Wilbur was raised with the dogs. I got him when he was a
Oh.
baby in the house. He was raised in the house. So I trust him totally.
Yeah.
Her, we rescued her.
Oh.
But they
So-
get along though?
Somewhat. Somewhat, like husband and wife.
Yeah.
You know? But him, you can come over and you can smell it, you know, let him smell you. You can pat him. And he'll roll over and you can rub his belly.
How's that? Connect?
I've actually.
Never touched a pig? Whoa. That's a coarse material.
Yeah, it's growing back now.
Oh.
They lose all their hair in the spring. right?
I
Because they
didn't
grow a
know
winter
that.
coat.
Oh, interesting.
Wow.
But yeah, I'll get him to come in here in his stall, and then you can rub his belly.
Oh, wow.
These are the donkeys. You can come.
Do they know not to cross this line or?
Yeah, they think it's electric fence,
Oh.
right? But this side's not.
Oh.
This one's Ben.
Hello,
The
Ben.
gray one's Ben.
Hello.
And this is Mandy.
Hello, Mandy.
She likes being patted. She likes her bum rubbed. Their dinner.
Oh.
Wilbur!
Oh, the donkeys are getting enticed.
Here, here.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh,
So they
they're-
get like pig chow in the morning and at night.
Wow. Oh, they're hungry.
They're always hungry. But during the day we give them lettuce and like a salad,
Oh, really?
watermelon.
Oh, hello.
Wow.
We'll just let them eat and then he'll want his belly rubbed. Mud Benny. Hey? Oh, the bugs are bothering them today. He likes his ears rubbed too, just.
Oh.
It's their dinner time too.
Oh, wow. It's everyone's dinner time.
Yes.
Is he like full grown?
Yep. Yep. So she's a miniature
Whoa, whoa,
Mediterranean
whoa. What's...
Wow.
donkey. She's 9 years old and he's about 4 or 5.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
And if you don't pay attention to her, she'll back up and push her bum to you, like rub my bum. What, Benny? No Cheerios right yet. It's dinner time. That's her little treat. They're losing their fur too for the winter fur.
Oh, oh yeah, you can kind of
Yeah.
see.
Yeah. This is all.
Yeah.
In the wintertime we put a coat on her, a winter coat.
Oh my
Polka
god.
dots.
So cute.
But he doesn't like coats.
Oh.
Whoa.
And that's Lacey.
Lacey?
And the other one down there is Colt.
Colt? Whoa.
They're almost done. We'll let them finish and then these ones are eaten.
Wow.
That's their house for them.
So these are all the animals that you have?
Yes, and we have 3 dogs.
Oh, wow.
Mm. Wow, that's cool.
Yes. It's coming, Lacey. It's coming, yes. It's coming. Yes. They know it's dinner time. They're looking for food.
Oh.
Mm.
He has little, like, little
Tusk?
tusks, yeah.
Oh, yeah, he has little tusk. Wow. Yeah.
Throw this in here for these guys. Yes, Colt, it's coming.
Oh, it's just in a bucket.
Just in the bucket.
Oh.
Yes, Colt. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Good boy. Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Hey. Down, yes. You want your belly rubbed? Come on.
Oh. Everyone loves their belly rub.
Oh yeah, and underneath is soft, like even under his arm, his legs.
Yeah, I see.
It's so soft.
Oh, yeah. Interesting.
Yeah, see, he's good. I touch everything, his teeth, everything.
Mm.
I cut his nails.
Does he still hang out with the dogs sometimes?
Yes, but she won't like the dogs.
Oh, yeah.
When the horses and the donkeys are in the other field, we let them out so they can go and have the grass. And,
Yeah. Oh,
but
wow.
yeah, he loves it. In the wintertime, they get covered with blankets. And
Wow.
The royal treatment.
spoiled. In a heat night.
Wow.
That's awesome.
But yeah.
Do you think you'll get more animals, or this is good?
Well, we may get rid of the horses and get some more donkeys because donkeys are more friendly. It's a lot better.
Oh, thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
That was so cool.
Dang, dude. Get my new Tobermory shirt all smoky, you know? Oh my gosh. Hey! Victoria being friendly with the Airbnb host. Bonding over dogs.
He was raised
Hello, hello.
yeah, for several months.
Does he ever want to visit them?
Him and Junior were best buddies. I have pictures of actually.
Hello.
We had to walk
These
them
dogs.
because
So cute.